Very good. Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you for recording. I forgot. Oh, 是 Okay, 唐王维 Who still remember Wang Wei? The last poem that we learned also written by Wang Wei. The writer of the last poem that we learned also Wang Wei. Okay, now 人闲桂花落，夜静春山空。Oh, who is that? Okay, okay. 夜静春山空，出金山。时鸣春涧中。Okay, very good. So now we are going to start. What is 鸟鸣涧? Okay. Everyone know what is this? Who know what is this word? 鸟. Correct. So you see how the 鸟 字 transform. Last week, Aunty Shirley teach us about the 甲骨文, right? The oracle word. And you see how it transformed until now the 鸟 look like this, the modern 鸟. And can you tell me what is this red arrow that I pointed at? What is the part? Which part of the bird is that? The arrow that I pointed with the red color. Eyes. Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, very sharp, huh? This part? Another arrow?
Eyes.
Also,
Okay.
one?
Eyes.
Alright, so all these are the eyes of the bird. Okay, eyes we call 眼睛 in Chinese, okay, 眼睛. So today we are learning about 鸟鸣涧, right? So we know 鸟. Okay, what is 鸟? And then I add another. Oh, no, I add another. I take out the eyes. What word will it be? Good try, but it's not. Who say that?
Aunty Jane say.
Oh yeah, Aunty Jane. Yes, you know Chinese, right? Chinese word actually they come from a lot of picture, right? When you see something object and then they draw according to it, right? So why this one is called Wu? Because Uya is what color is Uya? Uya is crow. What color? 黑色 is black color. So when you see the crow, can you see their eyes? Cannot really see, right? That's why, right? This one, Wu is similar as Niao, but is the eye was taken. Okay, so without the eye, right, we call it Wu. So in Chinese, crow, we say Wu Ya. Okay, the right hand side here is Wu Ya. Okay, just an extra word for you all to learn. So next time you know this is called Niao. The left hand side is Niao. The right hand side is Wu. Wu meaning is black color also in Chinese. Okay, Niao and Wu Ya. Okay, now what about I add what word is this? What word is this? Who can tell me? Coal. Yes. So when I add coal and niao, what is it? It's called Ming. Yeah, just now the title is 鸟鸣涧, 对吗? Correct? Ming. So when a bird with the mouth, what do you think the bird is doing?
Mama.
Now is talking. The bird is talking, or the bird is
Kakak.
talking.
Kakak.
Okay, so the bird is actually making sound. So when we say birds are making sound, we say 鸟鸣. Okay, you see the word 鸟鸣. 鸟鸣, the 鸣, this word, right, only can be used for birds. When we say birds are singing, birds are chirping, we use 鸟鸣. Can we use 狗鸣 呢? 狗 is dog. Can the dog 鸣? Can or not? Cannot. This 鸣 is only for birds. So when birds are singing, we say 鸟鸣. Okay, another word. This is, what is this?
Go.
Yeah, this is 狗 but actually 狗, right, started with this word we call 犬. 犬. Okay, it's the same word as 狗, but we call it 犬 during the ancient time. So when we add a 口 to a 犬, meaning this is a 狗, right, it's a dog, right, we call it 吠. 吠. Yes, very good. 吠. So when dogs are making sound, when they are barking, we say 狗吠. Okay, remember this, 狗吠. Can a 狗鸣? Can 狗鸣 or not? Just now 鸣 is a 口 with a bird, right? Can 狗鸣 or not? Can or not? Can we say 狗鸣 or we say 狗吠? Which one should we say? 狗吠. Yes, when we say birds making sound, what are we going to say?
鸟鸣. 鸟鸣.
Yes, very good. Yes.
鸟鸣.
Dogs making sound, we say 狗.
狗吠.
Yes, 狗吠 and 鸟鸣. Okay. So now we see. Yeah. This one just now is 鸟鸣间, right? 鸟鸣间. So what is the 间 meaning? 间 is stream. But the stream here is usually a small stream, not a very big stream. Okay, now let's see. So now you know 鸟鸣间, what is the meaning? The birds are singing in the stream. I mean, in the stream, in the river side lah, okay? But the stream is a very small stream. So that is the title of the poem. Now we see the first sentence. 人闲. 人 you know already, right? 人 is human. What is 闲? This one, 闲. So I tell you another story. This one who remember? Last time I taught you all. Only the outer part. Remember the 门? Right? So 门 inside got what? You see something inside the 门? 门 is door. What do you see inside the 门? Is it who want to give a guess? What do you see inside a 门?
Inside some windows.
Yeah, this one is
the moon from a window point.
Yeah, actually just this one look like window, right? Actually is the traditional Chinese door that look like this. That you need to push. Like you go to some Japanese restaurant, right? Sometimes you need to push the door like this. Yeah. So in the middle is a moon. So in last time, right, when people, especially when you are very not busy, when you are free, people would like to go out and then they stand beside the door and they will look at the moon. Okay, so this is the 闲. 闲 meaning is leisure, or when you are free, when you are not busy, we call it 闲. Okay, but nowadays, right, if you see, this one is the traditional word of 闲, right? There is a moon inside the door, but now the 闲 is a 木. inside a door. So nowadays, people, when you are free, you no longer look at the moon. Maybe you look at the trees because moon, right? Moon are trees. Okay. So I have a question for you all. 人闲 meaning when you are free, when the human is free. So what do you all do when you are free? Isaiah, 你很闲的时候你会做什么？闲 meaning when you are free, huh?
I will just play Lego.
You play Lego. Okay.
I'll
John,
play
John, what
Bobo
do you... Hmm?
and play Bobo Boy Cat.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Then John, what do you do?
Chicken.
的时候 Cannot hear you, leh.
Say louder, face.
Play with chicken.
Audio test my red pass to me. The system is audio test. Test speaker and microphone.
Wait lah. Okay.
Stop.
Sorry,
Thank
John.
you.
Cannot hear you. Yeah. Can you repeat? What did you say?
Face.
Play with chicken.
Play with chicken. So good. Okay, so this is 闲. 闲 meaning not busy. When you are leisure, what are you doing? This one, 桂花. Have you all got your 桂花 or not? Anyone show me your 桂花? Do you have your 桂花 with you? Yeah? Okay, got 桂花. Okay, this is 桂花. The picture that I show is the tree of 桂花. So during spring 春天 spring, the 桂花 will blossom. Then you see a lot of 桂花 drops fall on the floor. You take out your 桂花and then you smell. What smell is it? Can you smell? Does it smell good? Yeah, you can open. You can open and tell me how does this smell like. You can unmute and tell me what does this smell
Smell
like.
like nothing. I smell like Chinese tea.
Smell like Chinese tea.
Smells like Chinese tea. It smells like chrysanthemum.
Oh yeah, okay. At least Micah got some flower smell there. Okay. Gender. What smell do you get? How does it...
Apricot. Vanilla.
Apricot. Wow. Yeah, I think quite similar. I never think of that. Yeah. So this is 桂花. We call it 桂花. So the 桂花that you have, right, is already dry. The picture that I have here is the drop on the floor one. Yeah. But it is the same flower. So later we will try how 桂花tastes like. Okay, 桂花in English is called osmanthus flower. Remember what color is 桂花? What color is it?
Yellow.
Oh, yes. Yellow. Very good. Okay. And then this is 落. 人闲桂花落. 落 meaning all the flowers fall. Okay, fall from the trees. So you already know the first sentence. 人闲桂花落. So you know when this person, he is very 闲, meaning when she is very free and she's looking outside. And then what he or she saw. He saw the 桂花, the osmanthus flower falling. So beautiful, right? Wow. Imagine, okay? It's during not later you know whether it's a nighttime or daytime. Okay, now you know it's this person very free and then it's looking at the flower falling. Okay, now you see a second one. 夜静春山空. What is 夜静春山空? 夜 is night. Okay. So is it a morning or a night time?
Night.
Time. Yeah. 夜静 and then 静 meaning is very quiet.
Silent.
No sound. Silent. Silent night. Remember? Yeah, it's very, very quiet. It's a quiet night. And it's a 春天, 春山. So that's why I say 春 is spring. That's why you see the 桂花 blossoming. 春山 is mountain, right? 春山空. What is 空? 空 is nothing, right? So we see how the 空, this word come from. This is a cave, like a cave. Okay? And then below got some tools. This is how the word make of. Very interesting. I show you Chinese word is very interesting. So this one is like a cave. Have you all been to Batu Cave or any cave? Yeah? Cave in Chinese we call 穴. This is the word of cave, 穴. Okay? 穴. And this one, the below part is 工. 工 we can use it as 工具 or we use 工人 to imagine there is a 穴, a cave. Then you are using some workers, 工人, or you use some tools, some 工具 to correct, what is correct? to 挖那个穴 ho. So what will it become? It will become 空, inside will be empty already. So what is the meaning of 空? Who can tell me? Empty. Okay? So meaning 夜静春山空. What is the meaning of 夜静春山空? Meaning is the night is so quiet and is during springtime. The mountain is empty. Empty meaning like nobody and it's very quiet. Remember last time we learned the poem is also written by Wang Wei, the same writer. All his poems are very quiet, are very calm. So this poem also very quiet, very calm. So imagine now the night is so silent, mountain is empty. How silent, you know? I show you how silent until 月出惊山鸟. 月出 is what? 月 is月? 月 is moon. 月出来了, 月 meaning the moon come out, moon rise. 月出惊山, oh! The moon rise out can shock who? 惊 meaning when you get shocked. Oh, somebody get shocked. Who get shocked? 金山鸟. The birds in the mountain got shocked, you know, only because of the moon rise up. Imagine how silent the mountain, the night is. Huh? Until when the moon comes out, right? The birds are surprised because so silent, they can see the moon comes up. Huh? 山鸟 meaning the birds in the mountain. Okay, 月出惊山, you see all the birds see the moon, fly away because they got shocked already. Because everyone is so quiet inside, right? Nobody can hear any sound. But when you see the moon, they got shocked. Imagine how quiet is it? Yeah, 月出惊山鸟. Everyone follow after me. 月出惊山鸟. 月出惊山鸟. Okay, very good. Now the last one. 时鸣春涧中. Who can still remember what is 鸣? The 口 with the 鸟 one. This word. Who still remember what is the meaning of 鸣? Can unmute.
The bird chirping. The bird.
Yes, correct. So you guess, who is chirping in the mountain now?
The bird.
Birds, can it be dogs or not?
No.
No, because it's a 鸟, okay, 鸣 is used for 鸟.
The thing is, we hear the echo then.
Anyone talking? No, okay. So how does the birds chirping sounds who know what is the bird sound? Yeah. When the birds are singing, how do they sound? How? Or kong 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 like that. Oh yeah. So beautiful. Yes. So this is how the birds chirping. Yeah. So imagine now the birds are already being now the birds are being waken up by the moon. Yeah, so quiet, but they're being waken up by the moon. And then now they are singing non-stop during the spring stream. Yeah, in the stream. So the last one is 时鸣春渐中. So all the birds are being waken up by the moon, and now they are chirping in the mountain, in the stream. Okay. Wow, so beautiful, right? 时鸣春渐中.
So nice picture later you can draw this.
Yeah, these are the remember like later you have
It sings non-stop in the spring stream.
Okay. Now we are going to drink our osmanthus flower tea. Have you all got your flower ready and your pot ready? And you can put your hot water into the flower. Yeah, ready. So when you get your cup ready, don't drink first. Cannot drink first. Show me your cup first. Who already show me your cup, okay?
What's it?
That container from
Put here.
where did you get it from? Where did you get it from?
Okay, Hermine and Tolia ready. John, Kate and
Where did you
Carl
get it from?
ready. Auntie Jane are ready.
Mom, water's coming out. Like this.
Cannot drink first,
Nói
Joy?
là nó ra anh chi chi này trên red.
Joy, you have got your tea ready? No? Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
When you get it, then
Okay,
later.
okay.
It's like water.
Yeah.
Close it, Mom.
Yeah, I will close it.
Isaiah, is your tea ready?
Is it still hot?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, John, tell me, what is your color of your tea?
White.
You know what?
You put more flour inside.
Not long enough. Not long enough.
Yeah, you wait for a little while. Yeah, wait for a little while. Okay. Okay, while waiting, right? You cannot drink yet. Now we are going to I think we have 7 minutes left. Can we log out and log in again?
1 minute and 50.
Yeah, then cannot finish. You log out and log in again while waiting for our tea also. Okay?
You need another ID lah. You need another ID. I think cannot get back in one. Right?
Oh, is it?
Try.
I think need 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
get
Then
on
we try now.
What's at the end of the meeting, then you work.
If the host ends the meeting, cannot you
Yeah.
try and end now?
End.
Jean, you try to end the meeting, then we see whether can go in.
End the meeting and start again.
Why not?
Okay. So we log in back again.